Hello students, welcome to art class. We are going to be drawing as we study our Bible. We have gone through the Christ symbols, and today we are going to go through the names of Satan. Most of us, we know Satan as the devil, but then in the Bible there are several instances his names are mentioned according to his attribute. I will start with Satan, the anointed cherub. He is one of God's many angels, but then unlike all other angels, he was one of the anointed ones who was in the presence of God. So you can see I'm making very light drawings. Before I commit to the drawings, normally it's good to see what you want to draw. These are like my guidelines, then I will make them dark. So this is a high-ranking angel who knows God, was in God's presence, anointed, and he was the leader of things like the music, the praise and worship, until iniquity was found in him. I'm making it very simple. With my guidelines already in place, I can start highlighting. This is easy because it's like I'm tracing it out. At this point, I'll just do a very simple outline depicting an angel. My reference is the internet. Of course, as you go through these episodes, you'll see he's clearly a shape shifter. It's an easy drawing because I did my guidelines. I'll not commit to the face. I will leave him faceless. You know, spirits are not the depiction we find in the internet, Because throughout the Bible, you see Satan tempting Eve as a snake. You see Jesus telling Peter, "Get behind me, Satan," when Peter does not adhere to the will of what God wants. So you can't really point out like Satan is a flying angel. He appears in many ways in the Bible. So this one is just our reference, is Ezekiel 28, 14 to 16. Satan is depicted as the anointed cherub. So I'll just keep it simple like that. That's my angel. And then I will highlight it with the yellow color to show that he's a spirit and is glowing. Of course, you are at home. These are guideline drawings. You can use your internet for reference. The emphasis is us learning the Bible through art. So you can draw an angel. And that will depict Satan as the anointed cherub. That is very simple, an anointed glowing cherub.